For this problem, you had given 3 strings. The 1 and 2 are connected in a way. The first letter of the first word is connected to the first letter of the second word. So P is connected to M. A is connected to O. R is connected to R only. And R is connected to K. No, K is connected to R. And E is connected to I. Is connected to S. So here you have to see R is connected to R. This you can write as a simple R. But R is connected to K, and that means these 3 are connected, and R is connected to S. That means R, K, S. All these 3 are in single group. Rest of them are in separate group. This is a group, this is a group, this is another group, and this is another. We have 4 groups. And we have a word parser. S-E-R. So what you need is, like, instead of P, you have to replace you replace P with lexicographically lowest character in the group of. So in the group of P, we have P and M. The lexicographically smallest will be M. In the group of A, we have A and O. The lexicographically smallest is J. In the group of R, we have R, K and S. So the lexicographically smallest is K. In the group of S, we have R, K and S. The lexicographically smallest is K. In the group of E, we have E and I. The lexicographically smallest is E. In the group of R, the lexicographically smallest is K. So instead of parser, you have to written M-A-K-K-E. This should be your answer. This is a problem. How would you approach and how to decode this problem is your A. So what you can do is, like, you can create a disjoint set of 26 characters. All the characters in the problem, all the words in the problem will be small letters, in small letters. So you will have only 26 characters, and you can union the characters which are in the same group. So you will have, ideally, if you are doing that in this problem, you will have 4 groups formed. From that 4 groups, when you do union, ensure that your root node is the smallest element in that group. So for EM, it will be M, that will be the root node. For AO, A will be the root node. So it has to be the root node. Smallest element has to be the root node. For this group, K should be the root node. For the 4th group, E should be the root node. You have to form a disjoint set in a way their root node is the smallest element in that group. So once you form that, you have your target word parser. So check who is the parent of P. So it will give you M. So replace P with M. Check who is the parent of A. It will give you A. Check who is the parent of R. It will give you K. Check who is the parent of S. It will give you K. Check who is the parent of E. It will give you E. Check who is the parent of R. It will give you K. Whenever you get their parent, you replace the character with the corresponding parent. That way you can form this answer. Let's see the code. That will give you more clarity. So first you need to create the disjoint set. It's a class of union find with public members. There will be a vector which will be representing parent of each 26 word. So you have to define a constructor, resize the parent with the size given, and initialize each parent with its own index. Parent of I equal to I. Resize. So once you did this, you need 2 more methods. Number 1 is find parent. Px. Parent will be parent of x. P equal to x, return x. Otherwise, return parent of x equal to find of parent of x. This is like you are at the root node of a group, then return that to root itself. If not, find the root and return. This is the find function. Now you need one more method, which is union. Union union these 2 points. So find their parents. I Q, find the parent of the second element. They are not equal. Here is the trick. If they are not equal, you have to make the lowest of them as the root of the other. B less than Q, P should be the root of Q. Else Q should be the root of the Q. Else Q should be the root of the Q. The root of P. And return true because we created a connection. Otherwise, return false. So now your disjoint set is ready. Initialize your disjoint set with size equal to n. With size equal to 26 because in small letter characters there are 26 items. You can have n equal to this dot size. Now you union the items which comes in parallel in S1 and S2. And I equal to 0 is an I plus plus. First you have to just need an integer as. Okay. That will give you the integer. It's not a problem. So you have hyphen CO S1 of I, CO S2 of I. So this way you will be connecting all the characters which are in the same group. What you have to do next is you have a base. You have to transform the base into your answer. Base of I is equal to U dot find of C of base of I. This will give you the root node. Replace that with the current base and return the base. Replace that with the character at the index of the ith index of the base. This will give you the root node. So this shall be enough to get you an answer. Yeah, MAKKEK is the one we had Parker Morris parser. For that answer is MAKKEK. Hello world hold for that answer is SDLT. Thanks for listening.